Hey guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to summarize meeting notes with Google AI Studio. First thing I want you to do here on the left hand panel, click on chat, and then you can start a new chat. So I will go ahead and type in our prompt. Okay, so here we go. This is now my persona that I'm giving the AI, project coordinator. And the task is to basically summarize the following meeting transcript. And I'm also giving the format right here and the key information to extract. So the summary must be a concise, bulleted list that includes key decisions made, action items with the assigned person, and the main topics discussed. And then you just go ahead and include your meeting notes. Okay, so I'll include that in a new line. Let's go ahead and just paste in, these notes that we have. We'll just copy this and we'll go ahead and paste it in and just click here on run. If you want it to be faster, you can change the model to Gemini Flash 2.5 Flash right here, then hit run. And there you go. Here we have our summary adhering to our guidelines. Really that easy. And that is how to summarize meeting notes with Google AI Studio.